Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel Wealth Alert. Today we will digress a bit and talk on issue affecting crypto users in Nigeria. This is an issue of concern as it affects the smooth buying and selling of USDT in Nigeria. For those of you who have been active in the crypto space in Nigeria, you must have discovered that in the P2P session, the buying and selling session is completely off. This is due to the ban and the total ban of P2P in Nigeria. This is an issue of concern as it affects the smooth running of buying and selling of USDT in NGN. This does not stop other activities that are being carried out on the Binance app. As you can see, different tradings are still on successfully. You can still carry out your different activities using your Binance. You can still go on with your spot trading, your futures. The only restrictions and ban here is on the P2P session. And to guide my students and followers most effectively, need be for this video so that you can know what to do and how not to fall into tricks of scammers, because a lot of scammers will want to use this opportunity to scam people in the name of helping them to buy or helping them to sell using other means. And the need for this is as a result because in Nigeria, P2P remains the major way crypto users can get USDT, sell or convert their USDT to fiat with ease and vice versa. And then with this recent total ban of crypto in of P2P on Binance in Nigeria, it will surely lead to a high rate of crime in fake sellers claiming to buy or sell cryptocurrencies, and hence the need for this video. You should also bear in mind that this P2P does not stop other currencies from being traded on Binance. You can check other currencies in Africa, they are being still traded. You can check the ZAF. You can see that their P2P session is still active on the Binance. The only people that have been affected as at now is Nigeria. We believe that in future, whatever might have led to this would have been resolved. But for now, all we need to do is the way forward, because business must continue and business must thrive. Hence the need for this video. So I urge you all to sit down, take your notes and paper as usual. Take your notes, pay full attention as I put you through on ways to still carry out buying and selling of USDT in a more secured way as against the scammers or people that may say, give me money, I give you USDT, but using a more secured platform that will also serve as a sure way to give you your USDT with ease and also from the comfort of your home. Sit down while we dive in. So I welcome you once again to my channel Wealth Alert, where I remain your great guide into making money through simplified tutorials, basically on cryptocurrencies and other money-making ways in which you can carry out legal and legit businesses to earn in foreign currencies and make good profits. The returning subscribers, I welcome you. And to my new subscribers or to my new viewers, I urge you all to kindly subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, a like, share and comment on my videos. It will be greatly appreciated. You can see we have different tutorials on my channel. And if you are new and you are still having issues, you can drop your questions on the comment section. You'll be well attended to. A link to my community will also be dropped in the description box. And also other links will be dropped on the description box for easy accesses to things that you may need. So let's dive into the topic fully for today. One of the ways you can still carry out your successful and secure P2P purchase of USDT in Nigeria and using the NGN currency is with the use of your Bybit exchange. On the Bybit, P2P is still fully functional. And for those who are new to Bybit, you can still see the tutorial on my Bybit interface for beginners. But for the purpose of today's tutorial, I'll show you how to go about your P2P on Bybit. Once you click on this more icon over here, it opens up. On this first side where you see buy crypto, you can either buy using deposit, you can buy using cards, you can buy through P2P trading, or you can buy through direct fiat deposit. For countries where direct fiat deposit is allowed, you can use this. For countries like in Nigeria, where crypto direct fiat buying is not allowed, you can use this. So we'll click on our P2P now. It's opening up. And as at the time of making this tutorial, here is the price range where different merchants are trading USDT. For those that want to buy, this is your different price range. And for those that want to sell, these are the different price ranges. That is, you have USDT you want to sell to fiat. These are the different price ranges. So things you should note on effective buying and selling of cryptocurrencies are already in my channel, in which if I keep emphasizing on them, it will make this tutorial overlong for nothing. But for the avoidance of doubt, I will pick on some key points for us to note. As I said previously in my other tutorials, for you to have a successful buy trade, always look out for this small green dot, letting you know that the seller is online. Because a seller that is online will attend to you promptly once payment is made. Then you also look at the amount, the price range in which they are willing to sell. This seller is willing to sell from 4,000 to 59,000. So meaning if you have as low as 5,000, you can buy from this seller. Likewise, this seller is willing to sell from 4,000 to 5,701. So if you want to buy a quantity worth of 20,000, you can't get from this seller because this seller is limited. And the choices goes on and on and on. This other seller is willing to sell from 100,000 to 495. This is from 20. This is also online. This seller is also online. So aside that, you also check out their prices. This seller is selling for 1,604.5. This is selling for 1,604.89. You can see their prices differ. So you will check, look out for the one that you are eligible for, because some you are not eligible. But the ones that you are eligible will show you buy. So what you need to do, once you check out the prices, it falls within your category, you buy. And then also, you can also use this filter icon over here. This filter icon to filter out what you want. And also this all payment method and the amount. Once you use all this to filter out conditions you need. That is by putting the amount you want to buy, the payment method you prefer, and then you filter out, do you want only verified merchants? Since your mind, maybe you are not too sure, to avoid anything, you want only verified merchants to attend to you, you put it in, and then you get those decisions you've taken. You can see you either put up for only verified advertisers or show only eligible ads. Then you now confirm. Or you click on payment method and it shows you different payment method, and then you choose the payment method you prefer. Then you put in your amount. You can also type in the amount you want, the price range you want, then you confirm. So all these are also other things you can do for easy buying, to give you an, once you just fix all these criteria, it pops up what you can buy. You click on it, then you buy. That is that for the buy session. And then for the sell session, once you want to sell, you go to your sell here, you click on it. It also gives you different price ranges and different merchants. As I said, you watch out for those with the green icon, those that are online. So once you click sell, they quickly make payments to you faster. Those that are not online and they are not close to their phones, they may not attend to you as fast as expected. Then you also watch out for their price range. This seller is willing to sell for 1,650 at a limit of 450,000 to 100, 450 to 100, and you can see that here you are not eligible. This seller is willing to sell from 1 million and above, so here's the sell. This one is willing to sell from 7 million. When you now scroll downwards again, you see other price ranges that they are willing to sell. So for also ease, you can also still use the filter section, the payment method or the amount, to filter out what you want to sell. I want to sell crypto worth of, you just put, let's say I want to sell crypto worth of 200,000. You confirm. So once you confirm, it shows you different buyers that are willing to buy within that your range. This buyer is willing to buy within the range of 100 to 746. This is 200 and above. You can see them. So it makes it easier, and these are their prices. Is willing to buy at 1,598. Remember that most times to sell, the prices of selling is usually lower than the prices that you use to buy, because this is where merchants actually make their money. They buy low and sell higher. As a merchant, you can see they sell at 1,604 within that range, and you can see that the buying is 1,509. It just slight difference. It is still money when it's being turned over in larger quantity. So just bear it in mind that once you filter, it makes your sell and your buy very fast, and it gives you, and you watch out for these items I mentioned. This green icon here letting you know that if they are online, it makes it very fast. So we'll also proceed to another exchange where we can have ease in buying and selling of crypto, aside bybit. And for those that are new to the bybit exchange, I'll drop my referral link in the description box, which once you use it, it gives you access to many bonuses through the use of my referral link. So we'll dive into the next exchange where we can also carry out effective buying and selling on P2P of USDT using the NGN as a fiat. Here you go, the next exchange that we'll be looking on for a successful P2P trade is called the bitget. Here is how the surface, the home page looks like. And on the home page, just like others, you have your home, market, trade, copy your assets. But today we are not discussing on how to access your bitget exchange. The focus for today's tutorial is a successful P2P trading. So all you need to do is to move these icons on the home page, slide them sideways, then you click on your more, this more here. Once you click on it, it opens up to other accesses of quick access where you can access other services that the bitget exchange offers. So you now slide it upward, you now see your buy and sell, or you can still move upward to take you directly. Here's the buy and sell, so it doesn't mean here's the buy, here's the sell. We can still slide upwards, that will take us directly to the P2P. Here it is. Here's the P2P, where you are allowed to buy through to the full meaning of P2P, that is peer-to-peer. They are being paired with another user who wants to sell or who wants to buy, as the case may be. So on your buy bitget, it gives you different prices, just like the bybit, where you also see it shows the opportunity of buying and selling. It lists different exchangers, that is merchants, that are willing to buy and merchants that are also willing to sell. And as I specified on bybit, you will watch out for this green icon over here showing you that the particular merchant is online. Because if you sell, like this particular merchant Ahmed Ibrahim is not online, so you sell to him now, it even shows that he was online an hour ago. This particular one is online, you can still see it's being reflected along with their different prices. And also you can also see their price ranges. And one good thing with bitget, it lets you know that you can buy as little as 700. So the little, no matter the amount you have and you need USDT, you can have access to buy it from the bitget exchange. Then you go to your sell, we'll click on it. Our sell lets us different price ranges that we can sell. You can see here as low as 50,000 to 1 million, as low as 100,000 to 3 million and above. And that same notice I asked you to check out for those who are online, is still being reflected here, and here you can see them. So all you need to do, that nearly escaped my mind, when you want to sell, is to ensure that you add up your payment method. For you to sell, once you click on this sell, let me click on it, it will ask you for your payment method, which I have done, added mine earlier. Here is my payment method. So I only select the amount of USDT I want to sell, then I make my sales. The main aim of today's tutorial is showing you other sources where you can carry out a successful P2P trading. And I will still urge you all, if you still have issues on buying and selling, I have tutorial on successful buying and selling on Binance. I have tutorial on successful buying and selling on Bybit on my channel. Kindly do well to go through them. But if you still have issues and you want more interactions, you can drop your questions in the comment section, where we'll have further discussions. And I urge you all to click on the link on my community to join my community, where you can have access to chat up with me directly and I respond to you faster. With that being said, we come to the end of this tutorial, and I urge you all to sit back, watch out for more tutorials on this channel. Bye and see you soon.